Hack your brain, learn faster using science. Imagine supercharging your brain to learn faster and retain more. Science has uncovered an incredible secret about your brain. It can change, adapt, and grow throughout your entire life. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of neuroscience and unlock the secrets to rapid learning. Unleash your superpower, brain plasticity. Let's talk about your hidden superpower. Brain plasticity, or neuroplasticity, is your brain's incredible ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout your life. Every time you learn something new, you're literally rewiring your brain, creating new pathways and connections. Think of it like this: the more you use those pathways, the stronger and more efficient they become. Embrace your brain plasticity and watch your learning potential soar. The power of focus and rest. Now let's talk about two powerful modes of thinking that are critical for optimal learning: focused thinking and diffuse thinking. Focused thinking is when you're intensely concentrating on the task at hand. But your brain can't stay in focused mode all the time. It needs breaks to recharge and make connections. Diffuse thinking happens when you're taking a walk, listening to music, or just daydreaming. Intense focus is crucial for absorbing new information, but those aha moments of insight and creativity often happen when you step back and let your mind wander. The spacing effect. Stop cramming. Let's face it, we've all been there, cramming for an exam the night before, trying to stuff our brains with as much information as possible. But cramming is not your friend. It might get you through that test in the short term, but the information won't stick. The spacing effect is a powerful learning strategy that involves spacing out your study sessions over time. Review the material in intervals, a few times a day, then once a day, then once a week. This strengthens the neural pathways and improves long-term retention. Active recall. Test yourself to learn. Are you ready to ditch the highlighter and unlock a more effective way to learn? Let's talk about active recall. This technique involves actively retrieving information from your memory instead of passively reading or highlighting it. After learning something new, put away your notes and try to recall the information from memory. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Sleep, the ultimate brain booster. We all know that getting enough sleep is essential for our physical and mental health, but did you know that it's also crucial for learning and memory? When you sleep, your brain is hard at work, consolidating memories and making connections. So if you want to learn faster and remember more, make sleep a priority. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Move your body, boost your brain. Ready for a simple but powerful way to enhance your learning? Get moving. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients that are essential for optimal cognitive function. Exercise has also been shown to stimulate the growth of new brain cells, particularly in the hippocampus, which is a key area for learning and memory. So get up, get moving, and let your brain reap the benefits. Fuel your learning with a brain-boosting diet. The food you eat plays a crucial role in how well you learn and remember information. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in nutrients, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Nourishing your brain with the right fuel can make a world of difference in your ability to learn and thrive. Unlock your learning potential. Listen, you are capable of incredible things. Your brain is a learning machine, and by understanding how it works, you can unlock your full potential. Learning is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, experiment with different techniques, and find what works best for you. So go out there and embrace the power of neuroscience to transform your learning. You've got this. Now that you understand the importance of unlocking your learning potential, let's dive into a powerful tool that can help you do just that: mind mapping. Mind mapping is a visual aid that engages both hemispheres of your brain, making it easier to understand and retain complex information. Imagine taking a complicated topic and breaking it down into a visual diagram that shows relationships and hierarchies. By using colors, images, and keywords, you're not only making the information more interesting, but also more memorable. This technique taps into your brain's natural ability to recognize patterns and make connections, making learning more efficient and enjoyable. For example, let's say you're trying to learn about the human brain. You can create a mind map with the main topic in the center and branches representing different parts of the brain, such as the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. From there, you can add sub-branches detailing their functions and characteristics. This visual representation helps simplify complex information and makes it easier to recall later. So next time you're faced with a challenging topic, try creating a mind map. You'll be amazed at how much easier it becomes to understand and remember the information. This is just one more way to harness the power of neuroscience to transform your learning journey. Keep experimenting with different techniques, and soon you'll find yourself mastering even the most difficult subjects with ease. Visualization is not just a creative exercise, it's a scientifically backed method to enhance memory and retention. When you visualize information, you're engaging multiple areas of your brain, including those responsible for processing visual data. This multisensory engagement creates stronger neural connections, making the information more memorable. Imagine you're preparing for an important exam. Instead of just reading your notes, picture the key concepts vividly in your mind. For instance, if you're studying the solar system, visualize each planet in its orbit, complete with colors and sizes. Imagine the sun's warmth and the vastness of space. This mental imagery makes abstract concepts tangible and easier to recall. Studies have shown that athletes who visualize their performance often achieve better results. The same principle applies to learning. By creating mental images, you're rehearsing the information, reinforcing it in your memory. This technique is especially powerful when combined with other methods like mind mapping. To practice visualization, start by closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths. Focus on a specific piece of information you want to remember. Picture it as vividly as possible, using all your senses. The more detailed your mental image, the stronger the memory will be. So the next time you're trying to learn something new, don't just read or listen, visualize. Turn the information into a mental movie. By doing so, you'll unlock a powerful tool for enhancing your learning and retention. Remember, your brain is a remarkable organ, and with the right techniques, you can achieve incredible things. Keep pushing your boundaries, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. As we dive deeper into optimizing our learning potential, we must address one of the most critical yet often overlooked factors: sleep. Sleep is not just a time for rest, it is a vital period during which our brain processes and consolidates information. During sleep, the brain undergoes various stages, each playing a unique role in memory consolidation. The REM, rapid eye movement stage, is particularly important for learning and cognitive function. It's during this phase that the brain processes the information gathered throughout the day, transferring it from short-term to long-term memory. Studies have shown that sleep deprivation can severely impair cognitive abilities, including attention, decision-making, and learning. Without adequate sleep, the brain struggles to absorb new information and recall previously learned material. Imagine trying to build a house without giving the workers any rest. The quality of the construction will inevitably suffer. Similarly, your brain requires sleep to build strong, lasting memories. By ensuring you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, you're providing your brain with the optimal conditions for memory retention and cognitive performance. To improve your sleep quality, establish a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and limit exposure to screens before bedtime. Incorporating these habits will enhance your brain's ability to process and retain information, ultimately boosting your learning potential. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity for a healthy, functioning brain. Prioritize your sleep and watch as your ability to learn and retain information soars. As we continue to explore ways to optimize our learning potential, it's time to highlight the significant role of physical activity. Movement and exercise are not just beneficial for your body, they are crucial for your brain as well. When you engage in physical activities, whether it's a brisk walk, a session at the gym, or even a dance class, you are boosting blood flow to your brain. This increased blood flow delivers essential oxygen and nutrients, which are vital for brain function. But that's not all. Exercise also promotes the release of neurotrophic factors, which are chemicals that support the growth, survival, and differentiation of neurons in the brain. Essentially, these chemicals help to keep your brain cells healthy and thriving. Moreover, regular physical activity enhances brain connectivity. It strengthens the connections between different regions of the brain, facilitating better communication and coordination. This improved connectivity translates to better cognitive functions, including memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. Studies have shown that individuals who engage in regular physical activity have better learning outcomes and cognitive performance compared to those who lead a sedentary lifestyle. So if you want to supercharge your brain power, incorporating regular exercise into your routine is a must. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of moderate physical activity most days of the week. It doesn't have to be intense. Even a simple walk can make a significant difference. By moving your body, you're not only boosting your physical health, but also enhancing your brain's ability to learn, process, and retain information. So get up, get moving, and let your brain reap the benefits of a more active lifestyle. Your journey to unlocking your full learning potential is not just about what you feed your mind, but also how you move your body. Keep moving and keep learning. Now that we've explored various strategies to optimize learning, let's talk about the importance of applying knowledge in real-life situations. When you take what you've learned and put it into practice, you create stronger, more durable connections in your brain. This process is known as experiential learning. Imagine you've just learned a new language. Reading textbooks and listening to audio lessons are great, but using the language in real conversations will significantly boost your attention and understanding. Whether it's ordering food at a restaurant or chatting with a native speaker, these real-life applications reinforce what you've learned. Another example is learning to play a musical instrument. While practicing scales and reading sheet music are essential, playing along with a band or performing in front of an audience can solidify your skills and boost your confidence. These practical experiences create emotional connections to the material, making it more memorable. Research shows that when you apply knowledge in real-life contexts, you engage multiple areas of the brain, enhancing neural pathways and making the information easier to recall in the future. This method also helps you understand the relevance and practicality of what you're learning, which can be incredibly motivating. So don't just passively consume information. Challenge yourself to apply what you've learned. Whether it's through hands-on projects, real-world problem-solving, or simply discussing new concepts with others, these activities will deepen your understanding and make learning a more dynamic and rewarding experience. Keep pushing the boundaries of your knowledge, and remember, the best way to learn is by doing. As we wrap up this journey through the science of learning, remember that each method we've discussed is a stepping stone to unlocking your full potential. By understanding and applying techniques like brain plasticity, focus and rest, and experiential learning, you're not just enhancing your ability to learn, you're opening doors to endless growth and success. Don't be afraid to experiment with these strategies. Find what works best for you and incorporate it into your daily routine. Whether it's moving your body, fueling your brain with the right diet, or applying knowledge in real-life situations, every small step you take will bring you closer to your learning goals. So, challenge yourself. Push the boundaries of your knowledge. Embrace the journey of continuous learning and self-improvement. Remember, the key to success lies in your willingness to learn and grow. Thank you for watching, and here's to your future filled with endless possibilities and achievements. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.